Sculpt tools, flatten. The flatten tool levels all the vertices towards one common plane. So it's really helpful when we're designing. So if we take a look here at this knob sticking out, all right, I'm going to position it so we're looking orthographically right at that knob. And now I'm going to go over to flatten. And I'm going to set my size to be just a little bigger than the spot I need. And I want a very strong strength. And I'm just going to go and run on top of it. Now take a look at it. You can see how I flattened that thing right out. Okay, I'm going to undo that and do that again. This time I'm going to put a little less strength to it. And I'm going to run over the top of it again. And we'll go back and take another look. You can see how I have a little less flattening of it, so it's not quite as severe. I'll undo that. And one more time here. So this time here I'll make it a little bit smaller, put a lot less flattening here. And so now I'm just going to run just a little bit of flattening. So I'm going to flatten off the mountaintop. So you can see how I can flatten the mountaintop off just a little bit. So you don't want to go too much, but you want to make sure that you have a radius of your tool big enough to accomplish where you need to go. And so you can see how it's still a knob, but I have it I need a little more there to flatten it out. And it does a great job of flattening off the mountain peak. So I can come in here and just do a little touch up, kind of flatten those things out. So flatten works out very well to kind of straighten things out sometimes when you get too much sculpting. So a lot of times we sculpt, we smooth, we sculpt, we smooth, we sculpt, we smooth. Once in a while we like to use flatten to get everything nice and flat all towards a common plane.